Hi, fellow OIers. My name's Michelle Dupre. I clearly have OI, but I'm also an attorney and have been working in the area of Americans with Disabilities Act compliance for more than 25 years. My day job is advising a municipality on employment issues along with other various ADA issues. And you might see in the background my white dog Mikey, and I have a black dog named Violet. So I apologize if they're distracting. But anyway, back to why I'm posting. I visit the OI Foundation page on Facebook from time to time. And while I'm not a frequent poster, I do comment on posts. Occasionally, those posts and comments veer into ADA compliance. When it does, I sometimes see false information being shared. So, I've decided to make a series of short videos to help give OIers a basic ADA primer so you can effectively advocate for yourself. Now, this is not legal advice, nor is it sponsored by the OI Foundation. It's just some background information on the law and how it works. I'm going to start with an overview of the ADA. The Americans with Disabilities Act is a law passed in 1990, and it is the civil rights law for people with disabilities. The ADA covers 4 main areas. Title I is employment. Title II is state and local government and transportation. Title III is places of public accommodation, and Title IV is telecommunications. I'm going to start by focusing on employment. The ADA only applies to employers with 15 or more employees. Now, I live in Connecticut. Our state law incorporates ADA principles into state statute, so any employer that employs 3 or more people has to abide by most of what the ADA requires. So check your state for specific requirements. I think it's best to start with the application process. When you are applying for a job, that process must be accessible for people with disabilities in any company that is covered by the ADA. Again, that's 15 or more employees. That means that the office where you apply should be accessible. It doesn't have to be, but it should be. And if it's not, they need to provide you other accessible means for applying. For instance, the office where you apply for a job is on a 2nd floor, there is no elevator, and you use a wheelchair. You can ask that they bring down the application and allow you to fill it out on the 1st floor. Or they can email it to you, or they can have the application process online. There's several options. Employers covered by the ADA cannot ask you if you have a disability on an application form. They cannot ask any question that may require you to disclose you have a disability, like, do you collect Social Security disability? Or have you been injured at a previous job? In my next video, I'll discuss interviews, so look for it. I will list a few links below for more information should you need specific or legal advice on your particular issue. Thanks for listening to me this evening, and have a great day.